bad mind spirit, drunkard spirit, envious spirit. It's some serious rubbings, y'all look. I know how I feel inside when I hear what I hear, and it makes me ask questions. But on the door, hear my voice, my opinion out here about it. Me's a person will hold things. And when it come out, it can come out. And it's never no stopping to it. Nobody is there to say, yo, youth, you wrong. Look how it look. But not only on top of that, look how it look. Look at all of them. We're going to get views from shit like that. I have the right to say this. That's your sister event. That's how I look at it. I don't hate that, brother. I don't me put myself in a nothing with nobody. There are bloggers. I'm not. I could have been one of them just for the respect that I have. Nobody now have nothing to do with the respect that I have for who I have it for. So when people see this now, and then them go play this, and go see my name in it, I wish, girl. Me wish. Make it start. I bet say when I never see ping ping. I bet say me go back to my old ways. Me know about 4 women. Well, we have my anti-head back strong. And big up to the ones them that is not on social media. Me no worry about you, Jennifer. Queen Bee. Jamaican Queen Bee. Me no worry about you. Where you there? Me no need for enough of myself. When we dip on the back of blood clot field, we need somebody who we can listen to. We can listen to HTK. Unlike you, we have drunker spiritual. And I know one time you call our name in a nasty way. I am a customer of hers. I'm not going to make you do that. Me is very family oriented, and in the spirit, if the Lord set up something, all when my auntie them don't like my behavior or nothing like that, they will see it in at the end. Me not worrying about it. I want it in big caps that I love them for free, and I can't tell the Lord the reason why, because I already know. And that's why I never want no money off of them name. Anything I say it for free. If I see good enough people, that's it. Where me come from, the amount of things them where you know about them Galia and whoever else. All them fake runner, a blood clot lucky on a lucky. You see, if me never come out upon God time, me telling you some things long time ago. Me hold it down. You think me like what go on? The man changed, my bro changed. If him see something that wasn't right around the boss lady, that's it. I understood it. Did it have to leak out to nothing? No. I don't hate Chris, but Chris have to think sometime. Is that what you want to hear? Because it's true. Me have problems with him? No. None of the blood clot now take our seat. Go find on our own seat. It's a seat that the Lord make for she bit. Me don't have my own chair. Me have my own chair. Oh. Hey, I can't no. Me just a hold back, you know. Me a hold back at save me. You see that blood clot girl here? Eh? Use no blogger, no girl. Use no blood clot blogger. My mama tell you that here. Use no blogger girlfriend. Enough things I go by. I'ma tell you something. Only things, yo, chaw. Let me tell you something. I ain't with no flattering tongue. You hear me? And where love is concerned, bitch, I don't need it. And if I get it, praise the Lord. I'm a loner, bitch. For a reason. But I make noise. Big noise. Why get my bro hands dirty? Why you want him to continue to be disrespectful to head teacher K? And I know you don't like her because you envy her. Envious spirit. You don't like Chris because Chris strike you more than once. You definitely don't like my auntie bitch. You shrink her business outside in public and mixing it up and cross-contaminating, knowing exactly what you're doing. Tell the world I'm mad, but tell the world that I'm very intelligent and I'm a sweetheart. Tell them that the Jamaica, that everybody, they done erased and pushed out of the country. Bitch, you better know that's what I'm walking on. Principle. You can't water me down, no dear. My hand them no move. If me unfollow you is an emergency, but me not unfollow people. Not unless I had to. Hypocrite spirit, bad mind spirit, envious spirit, soon dead blood clot spirit. What have head teacher done to you? Bitch, as far as I know, she enjoying her family right now. Vacationing. She deserve it. When she speak, don't worry. Like, alright, if I had a kid, me not come out here on a certain light. Because at the same time, I still have to protect them head back as my youths. If I have a daughter, if I have a son, I same thing. So I'm not going to run prone certain way. You see them careless people here? If I meet, I feed them children. Me make them kick me out of the house. Because if it wasn't for them, who the inside of them yard, and probably go sit down some places and I cheer certain thing. If me sit down which part of Shanta there and them head go off, that not have nothing to do with me. Me can't say nothing or be a human shield just like that for people. And this them want when they are the problems. So for them children need to turn around to them and make them know harder. And make them go hold that. God now go send them. The only thing them can do is boof, boof, shut up. And that's it. And you see when that happen now, them are going to get children who grew up like me. And I pray to God so them have children like me. Because when God, yo, listen, them say honor thy mother and thy father. But what about the children? You don't see them forget that. Don't make them rough. Me tell for them picnic, don't. Because of what them turn into in pan social media. I get back to the people them. These people wouldn't do, Ashanti wouldn't do them do. Them other people that would, come on man. I things them put on themselves. Me look into it and I see it. Some things not so, yo. If Ashanti forgive or say, yo, me sorry to she, guess what now? That's bullshit. Every man have to earn them respect. Respect is not just giving some. You have to earn that shit. Only people that earn a respect, for me, are all people who can't help themselves. And babies will come out of the womb and don't know better. Until a certain age of learning and a summer role. You can take some children who never know nothing. And as long as them willing to sit down and learn something, I'm with that. For this, when me sit down pan like so, nobody can change it. Me have faith in Ashanti say. I'm tell him, if them don't deserve it, and you know what you know, that now nothing for do with me. Me not going to make them do that to him like that. That's fucked up in every way, shape, and form. And it is such a pleasure to see that man not looking back But can't say look upon them and say, hey, wanna think me I got change and keep doing what he doing. And they supposed to keep on talking and be stuck and can't see his progress and exactly what he doing now. That argument, I can bet on it because I hear him. Me hear how it sound and me see how it look. Versus how she would have put it. It get out of hand because of one man. He kept going and going and going, but it wasn't nothing. It was just for him to simply understand and listen to. Boom, that's it. But you got motherfuckers like these, man. Jamaican Queen Bee and the whole of them want to eat off of this shit. And it's not nothing to eat off of. It's to expose them. She want Ashanti to apologize for what? Look pan the whole thing. Now you tell me. She's a dick riding bitch. Alright. You see this little clip here where you do Jamaican Queen Bee of me telling me that I will punch you in your fucking face? I mean, with all the things that you have caused out here as a grown-ass woman, this is how the internet is. The things that you are doing is very fucking negative. I just prove it again. And then on top of that, you're a liar. That's educational purposes for the fucking people. But bitch, let me tell you something. After the event, and when I was in jail the other day on Facebook, you told me you're not afraid of me. You got 4 brothers. And you know how to fight. That has nothing to do with nobody else. But me challenging you. Because I know for one, you ain't got no solution to no problem out here that we could have seen bloodshed. Bitch, you ain't said nothing. Y'all all want to sandwich this good woman. And I got God all over me. It may not sound like it. Looks are deceiving and sounds are deceiving. So when you sit up here and call me all the names that you call me and want people to look at me and how I sit down or how I may sing. Bitch, I know how to sing. I can blow. The American people call it blow. My parents, they call it mournful. Bitch, I got a voice that costs more than you. I don't know nobody out there so I walk past 3 contract, bitch, but I know about myself. I got God in me and my third eye is on, bitch. For all of what you just said about Chris, why did you write up my name and Head Teacher K name on your goddamn page, bitch? If I respect that young lady for what I can see beyond, and I could say without saying it, hold on, bro. Because I don't talk to my bro. This is what y'all fail to realize and understand. When y'all hear me or something click my goddamn brain when I'm at work and I may wait until my break and tell my babe, listen, I'm going to say something. I go off and I say it. But that man, there is something that I know. Girl, I know you trying to know my business between me and my bro, ain't you? My business is this. I spoke up like it ain't nobody business because I wanted him to go back to something that he would love. And he'll come back and tell him to come not suck out him batiwell because he ain't like that bitch. Get off his dick. And if I love the man, if I love that businesswoman just like the Lord tell me to, because he ain't give me no message for her at no point at all. And I can't help the fact that me in a certain business that would lead up to me telling y'all about shrinking, because no use the word shrinking, which it is, because they was trying to. So if I have the right to say don't put her name in nothing. And then you being a hypocrite spirit on top of that to Chris. But 6 hours ago, you couldn't go to sleep. Get out my face, lady. Bitch, you don't make no sense. If one man see and be like, yo, I could cool, and he could trust me on that, then that's good. One woman less that he ain't got to worry about and fuck up his track. Because it's something that I want him to see, but I'm not ready to say it because I know that he going to catch on to it. So if he made that decision, Queen Bee, to not even do that and not even, you know what I'm saying? I'm cool with it. I'm excited. That's once more. When he changed and when he don't even, because I said some point shit, dumb bitch. And I ain't got to bring nobody back to it. I got my own goddamn videos that I make that I could understand more than anybody else. And if everybody wanted to see him do that, sometimes my bro need people that's going to say, hey, yo, bro, look, wait. Don't go down there. Hold on. Let me show you something that is needed out here. Fuck you talking about. Who knew they not a gutter water, bitch? Didn't he tell y'all that he was happy? These days he happy in time. And you mad about it. So now you want to bring up his name knowing that he'll run you the fuck over and cuss your ass out. What you doing it for? And then you go and put up his fucking, you go put up his stuff. Right before that, 8 hours. So 2 hours, you done put up 6 hours ago, you put up Ashanti short clip of him going through it with Chris. Then you going to write up what you wrote. Then 8 hours before that, you going to put up my short clip on it. Ain't you pathetic? If you that scary, bitch, get off the internet. Stop doing what you're doing then. Change. You grown. You like probably 50-something years old. So what part of that you didn't get? You childish, bitch. This young one ain't childish. You said it out your own mouth. I would never. And I asked you because you said something, bitch, so I asked you, can you beat me? Why you had to go and put it up on your page like you deaf? With what you said to make me react like that, can you fucking beat me? So you had to go and, like somebody was going to feel sorry for you. Them people not feeling sorry for you because you stupid. Them people not dumb. You a hypocrite spirit. You don't know who I am, bitch. And then for you to tell me about your 4 brothers like I give a shit. And it's obviously Tina should know about your 4 brothers, bitch. Beg you some? Yes, my turn, beggar. Sylvia, I beg you some. God no. Yeah, fried dumpling. A saltfish. Not that shark you do. I do wish that you motherfucking get off the phone. Ain't that a ticket where you at? Get off the phone. and stop get on your goddamn live, bitch, before you hit a guardrail. And I hope you be the wrong door and having to pay the people. I call you a dumbass whore, but are you getting fucked anywhere, bitch? Sorry, auntie. Are you getting heffed anywhere, bitch? See, one thing about it, I have so much manners that I could just keep on going. This is how I function, to tell the truth. So I don't look bad, bitch. No one in the Jamaican community need a pussy bitch like you. Sorry, auntie.
Fuck out of here, you trifling bitch. You nosy ass, you dusty, rusty, ugly ass man.
And, oh, you went on Ashanti page. So now I have to tell the 360 ladies, watch out for this sneaky ass bitch. She running around, she running around, she running around. Y'all heard my true. Oh, I see. That's why you did that. Now I see. So you got this off Ashanti's page. You dabble whatever you dabble out. Then you come back previous, and about 2 hours spam, you went on and you made a short clip of him talking about Chris on a live that he did previous, right? So you then begin to write in big caps, "Una can't eat me all on the one. Una couldn't eat me all on the one," whatever. And the truth must be told. Then you went into Head Teacher K. You pissed the fuck off at the fact that Ashanti not being disrespectful to her, because I would have told my brother on my soul, and anything I owned, that was a setup in a place for him to look a certain way. That was not going to happen, and so saith the Lord, and that didn't happen. So I give God thanks, and I love my brother one extra more time on the solid reason why I love him from morning. He just had to see what he's seeing today. And I ain't on no pettiness, bitch, but I see it. So you begin to saying that why he can't apologize, why he disrespecting my auntie because of what he's saying to Chris and all of this extra stuff. So you trying to make friends, but 11 days ago Chris didn't know that you was talking greasy shit about him. I was at work, so I'm not supposed to know about the event. Only little clips on what people show on their page. Mind you, I ain't know shit. I ain't know nothing. I post all of what I could post of that night. To be honest, I was looking for Ashanti to be there because I know I wasn't going to be there. So X me. Everybody was there. Like I said on my live, it was supposed to be a fun night, bitch. I ain't gotta explain shit to you. Come and kiss my ass. Because you stupid and I see clearly. And I will prove that this Sunday will be a change of yours. And see if you won't get your feelings hurt out here. I know you care. You care. You care about that feelings of yours. You should have made more sense than that, ma'am. And when you want to get up in my auntie's business, bitch, make sure when you call her name, you don't call it on negative. You be like me here. You know how not. You know how to shield her and then answer or do what you got to do. And that's it. You get me? Be like me. Who ain't never wanted nothing or go make a fucking page over there on YouTube. Just to do nothing. I've been at my page. But I'm going to open it up on you. And whoever else get on my nerves. With the same drunkard spirit. You see, I'm that person. Wait until honey do my shirts. Every one of you motherfuckers. There's a name for every one of you. And God don't like ugly. You have been exposed, ma'am. And I sat here and be miserable and have my own feelings going on until you make me look at the time and look at this one. You made me look at this. Come here, sweetie. What you doing? You made me look at this just now. That was 8 hours ago. And you made me look at this one, you dumb slut. Old bitch that needs to go and sit in her rocking chair and finish drinking her OE 800. What she looked like upside down. And then you made me look at this one 6 hours ago. You're not intelligent now. I think for the work that I have done that I'm not explaining to people, I think you need to get the fuck up out my face, bitch. That's what I think you need to do. Go on and go be the blogger that you need to be. And leave me be. And if you don't mean good for people, don't come talking to me. I leave it in the atmosphere for you to get cussed the fuck out by anybody or even his peoples to cuss your ass out. They should see now. And don't get the plank of people them tied up into nothing. None of your garbage. And not my auntie neither. Move yourself. I can do this without saying a name because, let me tell you something, it's not about that woman because she ain't never did shit to nobody. It's all about these. And it's the main suspects for me. You have nothing about yourself as an older woman. You afraid to show your face. You insecure. You ugly as fuck. And I swear to God, you can go on and do whatever it is that you want to do. But I'm going to rub you the fuck out today. This ain't it. You see, for what you wrote right here. And what you said 11 days ago. And then you have the audacity to come and ask. Why? Just because you hear what Ashanti said about head teacher. And I respect that to the utmost. That means God is real. That's how I see it. And I thank him for that. Bitch, I'm a straight shooter that thinks. And everything that you say right here, and I'm going to post it on my page. Post it somewhere else and get it back to my page so because they cannot stand you. Stoosh. They can't stand you. And I'm going to expose you. And I'm going to rub your ass out today. The Lord won't send me for it. One thing I can do is always come back here and fall on my foundation. I keep my own church from Monday to Saturday to Sunday. Back on up to Monday. I never leave them. And that's where all my music come from. But when I tell you I'm going to take you, and I'm going to take you back there into my long hallway, into my laundry room, bitch, and I'm going to rinse your motherfucking name completely clean, that's exactly what I'm going to do. You ain't got the formula. And you don't have no kind of solution to nothing. I just see your game. Shari, Lady D, my auntie, Stosh, Shine, the whole on I see, I give. I swear to God. I'm nothing, never tell me for look. It's just something that say, look again. You see, Jennifer Byrne, Jamaican Queen Bee, You see everything what she set up her platform for and what she set up her Facebook page for, she will always get disrespected. And she will always blood clot feel. And she would never show her face out here so. I bet you won't make a next video. Jamaican Queen Bee won't make a next video. And come chat about nobody. Cause I'm no idiot like some people get up and hate people for no fucking reason at all.